This is the POWERCORE, a modular battery system. To make it, you will need an 18650 cell with one of those EMS components, an M3 nut and an M3 by 35 bolt. You'll also need to 3D print a battery housing, a battery clip, and a battery cap. Links for all the electronics parts and STLs in the description. First, place the battery clip on the battery. Then, place the BMS in the cap. There are some rails on which it should slide on. After that, place the battery in the battery housing. Make sure that all of the holes are aligned so that your screw can go through. Lastly, insert your M3 by 35 bolt in the hole and screw in the nut. And you're done with the POWERCORE. But right now, it isn't that useful. Sure, you have a pretty good power bank which you can easily repair if needed, but let's make some attachments. As of now, I've made a flashlight attachment. It uses 7 LEDs and it's pretty bright. I already ordered some parts for other attachments, but if you have any ideas, write them down in the comments. The best one will be built in an upcoming video. And that's it. Again, all electronic parts are linked in the description, which is also where you'll find the STLs. Can't wait to see your ideas. Thanks for watching and good luck.
So this is the actual lighting situation. It's tragic. Maybe I should make something with this.